Imagine waking up to the sound of nature, stepping out with a hot cup of coffee, and enjoying it on your very own wraparound porch. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, what if I told you that dream doesn't have to break the bank? Today, we're checking out affordable tiny homes that come with wraparound porches, yeah, those Pinterest-worthy ones, that scream cozy vibes and peaceful living. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway, a full-time downsized lifestyle, or even a stylish Airbnb setup, this might just be what you've been searching for. Let's dive in. Modern House Plan 1. Looking for a cozy, no-fuss getaway or budget-friendly cabin? This 640 square feet gem is all on one level, no stairs, no stress. It's got one bedroom, one bathroom, and loads of flexibility. The 360 square feet porch is perfect for coffee or sunsets, plus 40 square feet of storage. Sloped ceilings add an airy feel in all the right spots: living room, bedroom, and flex room. Quick specs: 40-inch wide, 26-inch deep, 17-inch tall, ideal for narrow, sloped, or corner lots. Built to last. Metal roof, 3:12 pitch, wood framing, 2x6 insulated walls, and hardy plank siding. Sleeps up to 6 with 2 bunk lofts and a flex room that doubles as a bedroom, reading nook, or chill zone. Layout perks include main floor laundry, loft space, walk-in closet, great room, deck for grilling, perfect for vacations, downsizing, or living small in style, IRC 2006 compliant and DIY friendly with full building plans, foundation, floor plans, elevations, and interior drawings. Smart, simple, and ready for adventure. Ranch House Plan. Fall in love with this smart 2-bed, 2-bath gem under 1,000 square feet that lives large. The kitchen has it all: full setup, walk-in pantry, and an eating bar for 4. The open way out fits full-size furniture, while 9-feet ceilings and pocket doors keep things bright and spacious. Speaking of pocket doors, they slide open to 5-foot wide bedroom entries, offering flow or privacy as needed. The primary suite? A dream. Roll-in, double-head shower, no glass, double vanity, and a big walk-in closet. You'll also get a mudroom, laundry space, guest ensuite, and a 228 square feet covered porch, perfect for evening hangs. Quick stats: 2 beds, 2 baths, 1 story, 988 square feet, no garage but super functional, wheelchair friendly, energy efficient, great for vacation homes or downsizing. Proof that smart design means more square footage. Contemporary house plan. Ready to see a super cool modern home in a compact package? Let's dive in. We're looking at a contemporary style floor plan that packs a lot into just 831 square feet. It's got 1 cozy bedroom, 2 bathrooms, and get this, 2 stories of smart design. Quick stats: 1 bed, 2 baths, 2-car garage, 2 levels of awesome. The main floor gives you 700 square feet to live, cook, and chill in style. Down below, there's an extra 131 square feet, perfect for a small workshop or storage area. Moreover, there's also a balcony for those peaceful morning coffees and a cute little breakfast nook in the kitchen for your pancakes and plans. Total dimensions: width 25 feet, depth 28 feet, height just under 25 feet tall. It's framed with sturdy 2x6 walls, has conventional roof framing, and features high ceilings 9 feet on the main floor and a lofty 12 feet 3 inches upstairs. And if you love your tools or extra space, the 569 square feet garage gives you room for both cars and hobbies. So you're dreaming of a small but mighty modern home. This one checks all the boxes: style, function, and just the right amount of flair. Stay tuned for more smart home designs. Farmhouse House Plan. Here's a cozy little gem, just over 1,000 square feet of smart, stylish living, great for families, couples, or a vacation retreat. Layout-wise, it's got a split bedroom design, master on one side, 2 bedrooms on the other. Privacy? Check. At the center is an open kitchen, dining, and great room that feels bright, spacious, and perfect for entertaining or relaxing. The master suite? A dream walk-in closet, double sinks, custom walk-in shower, and plenty of storage. Bonus, laundry's tucked behind a barn door off the kitchen. Love that. Bedrooms 2 and 3 share a roomy bath with no sink wars. Out back, there's a 6-foot-deep covered porch, ideal for morning coffee or evening wine. Quick stats. 3 beds, 2 baths. 1 story, no garage. 1,035 square feet living space. 284 square feet covered porch. 9-inch ceilings. Sturdy 2x6 framing, clean siding. It's budget-friendly, energy efficiency, and fits corner, narrow, or sloping lots. Downsizing, retiring, or weekending, this one's a keeper. Farmhouse House Plan 2. Welcome to this cozy 988 square feet beauty. It's compact, but packed with style and smart design. First up, kitchen goals. You've got a full kitchen setup, a walk-in pantry to hide all your snacks, and an eating bar that seats 4. Perfect for morning coffee or dinner with friends. The layout? Super open and roomy. Think full-size furniture, 9-foot ceilings, and pocket doors that glide instead of swing, saving space and looking sleek. Quick pro tip, those pocket doors open wide, like 5 feet wide, so you can open things up or close them for privacy. The main suite? Oh, it's got everything. A walk-in shower. No glass doors, so less cleaning and more chill. Dual shower heads, because why not? And a walk-in closet to stash your stuff in style. You'll also find a 2nd bedroom, 2 full bathrooms, a mudroom/laundry combo, and a covered front porch, perfect for rocking chairs and lemonade. What's the layout? 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. 1-story, no garage. 38 feet wide, 32 feet deep. 9-foot ceilings, truss roof, asphalt shingles, siding finish with strong 2x4 or 2x6 framing and batt insulation. So yeah, it's small, but it's mighty. Modern, functional, and full of charm. Modern House Plan 2, model number 891. Welcome to the little cottage that could. This cozy, modern 2-bedroom home packs a punch in just 800 square feet. It's smart, stylish, and built for living large in a small space. Think open vibes, sunny decks, and clever design magic. The living, dining, and kitchen flow together in one bright, airy space with no walls chopping things up. A kitchen peninsula and a window seat subtly separate the zones without closing them off. It all spills out onto a huge wraparound deck. Indoor-outdoor living? Nailed it! This tiny champ even won Fine Home Building's 2013 Small Home of the Year and was a finalist in the 2014 Howie Awards. Why? Because it feels bigger than it is, thanks to smart design and strong outdoor connections. It's energy efficient, too, with rigid foam insulation and solar panels for both power and hot water. No garage, no problem. All charm, all style. 2 beds, 1 bath. 800 square feet of clever comfort. Wraparound sun deck equals outdoor bliss. Sustainable and award-winning. Who says small can't be stunning? Country House Plan Model number 43798. Just 793 square feet, but wait till you see how smart design makes it feel way bigger. We're talking vaulted ceilings in the living room and the main bedroom. Hello, open and airy. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, all on 1 floor, super simple and efficient. The 2nd bedroom? Use it as a guest room or your dream home office. Main bathroom is spa goals with a large shower, and yes, there's a walk-in closet in the master. And check this out, a cozy fireplace to make those nights extra warm. No garage, but a cute covered front porch for morning coffee or evening chats. It's made for narrow lots, has a 9-foot ceiling, and that stylish metal roof. Love it. Cottage House Plan 126-178. Welcome to 624 square feet of smart, simple living. This 1-story beauty is made for peace, quiet, and porch sitting. Up front, you've got a charming covered porch perfect for that morning coffee or evening chats. Another covered porch that leads straight into a handy mudroom and laundry area with no tracking dirt inside. Inside, it's all open and bright. Big windows let in all that natural light, and the kitchen island doubles as an eating bar, great for meals, work, or hanging out. And here's a clever twist. The bathroom pulls double duty. It's both an in-suite for the bedroom and easily accessible for guests. One bedroom, one bath, one suite lifestyle. No garage, no problem. This home is all about keeping it simple and functional. Dimensions: 24 feet wide, 36 feet deep, 14 by 9 inch tall, and every inch designed for easy, comfy living. Less space, less stress, more life. That's what this little gem is all about. Contemporary house plan model number 126-11177. This cozy one-bedroom, 1.5-bath home packs a lot into 896 square feet. It has a full kitchen with a walk-in pantry and a bar that sits 4. The open layout fits full-size furniture and appliances, with 9-foot ceilings and pocket doors making it feel bigger. The main suite has a large shower with 2 shower heads, a double sink, and a big walk-in closet. There's also a coat closet, laundry room, and guest powder room. No garage, but everything else is made for comfortable, year-round living. Farmhouse house plan 44-2204. This place has a split bedroom layout, so the master bedroom is on one side for extra privacy. The kitchen, dining, and living room are all open, making it feel really spacious, perfect for having friends over. The master suite comes with a walk-in closet and a bathroom that has double sinks, lots of storage, and a big custom shower. The laundry area is right off the kitchen, hidden behind a cool sliding barn door. Bedrooms 2 and 3 share a nice bathroom, and there's a covered back porch that's 6 feet deep, great for relaxing outdoors. No garage, but here are the dimensions. Width 44 inch, depth 33 by 6 inch, height 20 inch. Perfect setup for small families or anyone who loves an open, comfy space. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Tiny living doesn't mean giving up comfort. It means living smarter, cozier, and way more stylish. So if you're ready to downsize without downgrading, hit that like button, subscribe for more tiny home finds, and let me know in the comments, would you live in one of these? Catch you in the next one with the same vibes. Smaller homes, bigger dreams.